Good afternoon, Peru Middle School students. It's Mr. Storms. It's April 16th, and it is our 23rd day on emergency release from school due to the COVID-19 virus. It was really fun today. I got to talk to sixth graders. Sixth graders joined a Google Hangout with me, and we had a great conversation. Actually, I had to do two of them because it was a conflict with the sixth grade teacher's schedule, and that's okay. So if you're a seventh grader or an eighth grader, check your calendar and check your email because tomorrow I intend on doing two more, one for seventh and one for eighth, and I hope you're there to talk to us a little bit. It was a great sixth graders. You guys make me laugh. You had a lot of great jokes and told me a lot of great activities that you've been doing while you've been home in quarantine from school. So today and tomorrow are your last 2 days in our emergency A classroom. So you have to do one activity today and one activity tomorrow in your emergency A classroom by grade level in Google. And starting Monday, we're going to be doing a modified schedule, and you're going to be going to individual Google classrooms of your various teachers. Sixth graders learned of their new quarter rotation, so that's a sixth grade thing. And there was confusion out there. There was confusion because on my YouTube channel, I was talking about USBs. Well, we've got 11 people, I believe it is, in Peru Middle School that have poor internet connection. And so those 11 or 12 kids are actually receiving a USB with all of their lessons on it. But as for everybody else, you won't be receiving a USB. You're going to be doing your lessons right there in the Google Classroom. And where can you find out what classes you have to do every day? Well, the good news is I emailed you an emailed copy of the schedule that we're going to be following. And also, every morning next week, you're going to be able to go to my YouTube channel or your email, and you're going to be able to hear what classes you need to be doing each day. So that's important. On the school webpage, you can go to right up near where you can go to find school tool. You can also find the middle school podcast, and they have a link so that you can add information to our middle school podcast. I hope you do that. A lot of good content has been put there, and they do one on Friday. So I look forward to talking to the seventh and eighth graders tomorrow, and I'll talk to you all again tomorrow.